A company moving toward the world under the management goal of accurate planning, strong practice, and thorough reflection. A company that is ahead of its time by continuous product development without the fear of change. Changhwan Precision Terminal is an automotive parts company that produces various terminals for automobiles, bus bars for electric vehicle batteries, intelligent battery sensors for automobiles, and wiring harnesses that supply power and electric signals to each device of automobiles. Changhwan Precision Terminal was first established in 1988 and started as a company specializing in manufacturing terminals for automobiles. It acquired SQ in the forging and welding sector of Hyundai and Kia, complied with global standards by IATF 16949 and ISO 14001 certification, won the 20 million export tower, was selected as an excellent job creation company, and received a commendation. Now, beyond Korea, it has established overseas subsidiaries in China and the United States. As a partner of domestic and international automakers such as Hyundai Kia, Renault Samsung, GM, Chrysler, Tesla, Volvo and Daimler. With technology and experience, Changhwan Precision Terminal is in charge of a field in the automobile industry. The products of Changhwan Precision Terminal with the best technology are batteries, rings, sparks, and hues. IBS that detects the battery state to operate the electric device of the vehicle in optimal state, and a wiring harness that supplies electricity to the electric equipment of the vehicle and transmits an electric signal to the control device. In particular, Changhwan Precision Terminal develops and produces various bus bars, battery pack parts for electric vehicles of Volvo, Hyundai, and Kia Motors to thoroughly prepare for the upcoming future industry. Changhwan Precision Terminal is increasing the accuracy of the entire manufacturing, quality inspection, and supply process to supply the highest quality products to customers. Changhwan Precision Terminal makes its own molds for terminals and bus bars. A fully automated production line with the latest equipment and automated epoxy production line is to be constructed, and production takes place through the press, processing surface treatment, and assembly processes. Through strict and delicate quality control, packaging, and shipping, we always have sincere consideration of how to improve customer confidence. Changhwan Precision Terminal, at the forefront of terminal technology for automobiles, is focusing on research and investment by operating laboratories to produce high-quality products and develop technologies that incorporate new technologies. The quality of product is evaluated by accurately measuring dimensions, shapes, and outlines with a 3D measuring instrument and video microscope to identify the electrical and mechanical characteristics of busbar and terminal products. With a composite environmental tester and a composite corrosion tester, complex environmental conditions such as temperature, humidity, vibration, etc. are implemented for each test sample to test temperature, moisture resistance, durability, corrosion resistance, and more. Test the braking load and tensile strength of the cable with the universal tensile tester. In particular, it is evaluated as an operating a laboratory with the highest conditions compared to other suppliers of Hyundai Kia Motors. Changhwan Precision Terminal takes a step further with the goal of proving the best quality as a result of the test and delivering it to its customers. Changhwan Precision Terminal will develop into the best quality, not only in the era of internal combustion engines, but also in the upcoming electric vehicle era. With accurate plans, strong practices, and thorough reflection, Changhwan Precision Terminal is never satisfied with achieving a goal right in front of it. Its craftsmanship will never end until its customers are fully satisfied with the products through constant technology development. Changhwan Precision Terminal Company Limited.